Good morning, Hermas. You had brought your wagon here because the check engine light on your car is on, and we just wanted to show you why the check engine light's on. We opened up the hood right away and we saw some suspicious stuff on top of the motor, so we removed this cover, the ornamental cover on the engine, and we have the engine running right now, but you can see there's a rat's nest here, and the rats have been chewing on your ignition coil wires, and this is part of the reason why your engine is running rough, because the ignition coil wires have been chewed on by rats, and we need to repair the wiring in order to fix this misfire problem that you're complaining about. I will go ahead and forward you an email estimate to fix this problem, and once this is fixed, this should take care of the engine misfire and the check engine light for you.